In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a realistic avatar using Leonardo AI Desktop. To begin, open the Leonardo AI app in your desktop browser so you can access the image generation workspace. Once you're inside the platform, click on Image. This takes you to the main area where you'll build and generate your avatar. Next, choose a model. For realistic avatar creation, a strong starting point is a model like Phoenix One or Cinematic Kino. The model you choose affects the overall look and rendering style of the final result, so it's worth selecting one that leans toward realism and polished portrait output. After that, choose a style. If your goal is a realistic avatar, the cinematic style is a great option because it tends to produce more dramatic lighting, richer detail, and a more professional portrait feel. From there, select your image dimensions and quality settings. These choices help determine the shape, resolution, and overall clarity of your generated avatar. If you're making a profile image, a square format can work well, while quality settings will influence how refined the final image appears. Then, choose the number of generations you want Leonardo AI to create. Generating more than one image gives you a few options to compare, which can be helpful when you're trying to find the most natural-looking face, pose, or expression. Now it's time to type in your prompt. Be descriptive and structure it clearly by including the subject, clothing, environment, and camera details. This helps the AI understand exactly what kind of avatar you want. If you want the avatar to resemble you more closely, upload a reference photo using the character reference feature and set the influence slider to a medium or high level, depending on how closely you want the result to match. Once everything looks good, click Generate and let Leonardo AI create your realistic avatar. After the images appear, you can review the results and decide which version best matches the look you had in mind.